Hey friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna tell you about this cute and soft plaid from the very popular Alize Puffy yarn. See the name in the description. You can buy this yarn on the internet. Making such a blanket is quite simple and it will be a very pleasant evening entertainment. So, if you want to make a cozy blanket by yourself, then continue to watch this video and subscribe to the channel. A skein of such yarn looks like this. We open the package and see many loops. It is these loops that we will use. From the beginning we must choose the width of the blanket and count the required number of loops to this width. Count the first loop. For a meter by meter plaid you will need 50 loops wide and 50 rows long. Then you can calculate the number of loops by the size that you need. For example, we will take 10 loops to make a small doll blanket for the sample. And so we begin weaving. Just take one loop and insert into another, one by one. Next, go to the next row and so on. While weaving a blanket, please don't forget to adjust the loops, stretch them so that at the end everything looks very beautiful. As you know, one skein of yarn is not enough to make a whole blanket. For a plaid size meter by meter, for example, you need 5 skeins of yarn. At some point, you will need to connect one skein of yarn to another, and we do it as follows. We cut one loop from each end and simply connect them with a neat knot. We cut off the excess, and we continue to weave further. Look at how we finish the last row of the blanket. Just take one loop and draw it through all the loops in this row. Everything is very simple. In the end, just cut the loop and tie it to other loops, and just cut off the excess. If you want to be more confident in the result, you can even sew the last loop to the blanket. Such a small plaid, for example, would have succeeded. This blanket is very soft and beautiful, perfect for becoming a favorite children's blanket. And most importantly, this blanket is very easy to knit with your own hands. So, what color would you like a plaid? Comment on this, please. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Bye!